तो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अभी देख सकते हैं मेरे पास इन्फोसिस के एचआर बैठे हुए हैं जिनका मैंने एचपी की तरफ से लैपटॉप सर्विस किया है। ये लैपटॉप है, इसमें नो चार्जिंग का इशू आ रहा था। तो अभी जान लेते हैं कि मैंने जो काम किया है उनसे ये संतुष्ट है, वेरीफाई हैं, सेटिस्फाइड है या नहीं। तो सर एक बार।
So first of all, hello to everyone. Hello to all the viewers. My name is Aniket. I'm working in Bangalore as a senior recruiter. But right now I'm doing work from home and my laptop got stuck at a point of time. So I have filed one complaint against HP and they have just solved my query and Mr. Deepak came to my house in Madhubani in Bihar. I'm doing work from home from here. So he just repaired everything. He just rectified everything, I must say, and he's a very champ guy. His behavior is very good and he's very professional. The moment I called HP people, he came to my house and he has done everything. So as a customer, I am very much satisfied with him and he is doing a fabulous job. And he also has said that in case you have any kind of difficulty and complications, just give me a call. I'm just a call away. And the moment you call me, I'll rectify all the issues over the call also. So I must say he's a champ guy and everybody should recommend him, a person like him. So this is what I can tell you to you.
चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट।